Hello, boys and girls. The time has come. The time to start.
Fun with Numbers.
A program for all Guyanese children.
Where Mark,
Dolly, Daisy,
And Kiki will help us to discover how much fun we can have with numbers.
let's go to have fun with numbers.
this is lesson number 2 for grade 1.
Hello, teacher. Hello, boys and girls. Do you remember me? Good. Everybody say my name. Mark. Mark is my name.
Hi, everybody. I hope you're fine. Do you remember me? Tell me, what's my name? Dolly. Dolly is my name. How are you? I'm happy to be here with all of you.
I'm happy to be here too.
Oh my goodness! How scary! How terrible! They're going to get me! They're coming after me! Oh!
Daisy, calm down.
Oh, my head is spinning! Dolly, I dreamt the most terrible thing! I saw everything flying!
Calm down, Daisy. It couldn't be.
Yes, it could! It could! I saw it! I saw dogs flying, pigs flying, and trees with wheels, and snakes with legs. Oh, how
Daisy,
terrible.
that was a nightmare. Those animals don't fly, and trees don't have wheels, and snakes don't have legs.
But I saw it! Everything was flying!
All right, Daisy. The boys and girls will tell us if those animals can fly. Boys and girls, pay attention. Tell me, what animals are those? Those are dogs. Tell me, do dogs fly?
Dogs don't fly.
Oh, dogs don't fly.
Girls and boys, listen again. Tell me, what animals are those? Those are pigs. Tell me, do pigs fly?
Pigs don't fly.
Oh, pigs don't fly.
Boys and girls, listen. Tell me, what animals are those? Those are birds. Tell me, do birds fly?
Birds fly. See, Daisy? Birds fly. But pigs and dogs don't fly.
What about the trees with wheels? I saw trees with wheels.
There's no such thing. Children, tell Daisy which have wheels, trees or cars?
Cars have wheels.
Trees don't have wheels?
You see, Daisy? It was just a dream.
Oh, but my head is still spinning. I can still see
just a dream.
Mark, let's put a few drops of water on her forehead. That will help.
Oh no, no. I don't like water.
We'll use a little. The water is good. It's refreshing.
Oh, okay. Just put 5 drops on me.
All right, Daisy.
Girls and boys, only 5 drops.
Children, are you ready to count the 5 drops of water? We'll count after each drop of water. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Daisy, how do you feel now?
A little better. Put another 5 drops.
We'll count again after each drop of water. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That feels good. I feel like dancing.
Okay, and we'll sing. Children, let's sing.
We're going to have fun with numbers. So much fun with numbers. We're going to have fun with numbers. It's so easy, you will see.
It's so simple, you will see. Now listen very carefully. Whether 1, 2, or 3, this game was meant for you and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It keeps your mind alive.
We're going to have fun with numbers. So much fun with numbers. We're going to have fun with numbers. It's so easy, you will see.
It's so simple, you will see. Now listen very carefully. Whether 1, 2, or 3, this game was meant for you and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It keeps your mind alive.
We're going to have fun with numbers. So much fun with numbers. We're going to have fun with numbers. It's so easy, you will see.
It's so simple, you will see. Now listen very carefully. Whether 1, 2, or 3, this game was meant for you and me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It keeps your mind alive.
Very good, children.
Daisy, you dance very good too. Naughty kitty, leave the counters.
Kiki, leave those counters. We'll use them to count.
Children, ensure that your counters are on top of your desk. Tell me, are all your counters on top of your desk? Pay attention. Put one counter in your hand. Now put another counter in the same hand. Look at the counters in your hand. Tell me, how many counters do you have? 2 counters. Now, put those counters back on top of your desk.
Are all your counters on top of your desk? Pay attention. Put 2 counters in your hand. Now, put another counter in the same hand. Look at the counters in your hand. Tell me, how many counters do you have? 3 counters. Now, put those counters back on top of your desk.
Children, Are all your counters on top of your desk?
Okay. Put one counter in your hand.
Now put another 2 counters in your hand.
Tell me, how many counters do you have in that hand?
3 counters.
Girls and boys, from your hand, put only one counter on top of your desk.
Tell me, how many counters do you have in your hand?
2 counters. Well done. Now put all the counters to one side of the desk and leave them there.
Kiki, be careful. Don't drop the counters again. I know you like playing with counters.
Kiki, leave those counters for a while. We'll play.
Yes, let's play. Boys and girls, are you ready? Let's play Old Grady Says.
I want to be all ready.
Kiki, Daisy, I like you a lot. But now, let Dolly be Old Grady. Kiki, where are you going? Come back, come back. He'll be back.
Okay, I'll be all Grady.
Boys and girls, pay attention. Listen carefully.
When I say old Grady says, clap your hands 2 times, you'll clap like this. When I say old Grady says, click your fingers 2 times, you click like this. Children, old Grady says, clap your hands 2 times. Old Grady says, click your fingers 2 times. Old Grady says, put both hands on your waist. Old Grady says, put one hand on the desk. Old Grady says, put both hands on the desk. Old Grady says, put one hand on your shoulder. Old Grady says, put your hands down. Old Grady says, click your fingers 2 times. Old Grady says, fold your arms. Old Grady says, put your hands down. Old Grady says to clap your hand. Clap your hands faster, faster, faster. Old Grady says to stop.
That was fun. Fun.
Yes. We finished playing Old Grady Says. Kiki, you here? What are you doing in that corner?
He doesn't know how to count.
Daisy, don't make fun of Kiki. He'll learn how to count with the boys and girls.
Kiki, after 1 comes 2.
Boys and girls, tell me, what number comes after 1? 2.
Oh, I knew. After 1 comes 2.
That's right, Daisy. Boys and girls, tell me, what number comes after 2? 3. After 2 comes 3.
1, 2, 3.
That's right, Kiki.
Boys and girls, you did well.
Oh, let's sing my favorite song. The Spider Song.
Oh, yes. I like that song too.
Let's sing. Boys and girls, sing.
Incy Wincy Spider went out the window pane. Down came the rain and washed her in the drain. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. Boys and girls, she could play again. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. 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 Incy Wincy Spider went out the window pane. Down came the rain and washed her in the drain. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. Boys and girls, she could play again. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. 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 Incy Wincy Spider went out the window pane. Down came the rain and washed her in the drain. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. Boys and girls, she could play again. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider.
I like singing with the girls and boys. Let's sing together again.
Boys and girls, let's sing.
Incy Wincy Spider went out the window pane. Down came the rain and washed her in the drain. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. Boys and girls, she could play again. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. 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 Incy Wincy Spider went out the window pane. Down came the rain and washed her in the drain. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. Boys and girls, she could play again. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. 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 Incy Wincy Spider went out the window pane. Down came the rain and washed her in the drain. Out came the sun, dried up all the rain. Boys and girls, she could play again. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider. Who's that spider? It's Incy Wincy Spider.
It was fun singing with you.
Now, we'll count. This time with counters. Boys and girls, get your counters ready. We're going to use them.
Children, Are your counters on the desk? Now pay attention. Put 3 counters in your hand. Now look at the counters in your hand. Tell me, how many counters do you have in your hand? 3 counters. Good. Now put those counters back on the desk. Are all the counters on the desk?
Now, put 2 counters in your hand. Do you all have counters in your hand? Tell me, how many counters do you have? 2 counters. Now, put those counters back on the desk. Are all the counters on the desk?
Okay, now put 3 counters in your hand. Look at the counters in your hand. Tell me, how many counters do you have? 3 counters. Now listen carefully. From your hand, put 1 counter on the desk. Look at the counters in your hand. Tell me, how many counters do you have? 2 counters. Now put those counters back on the desk and leave them there. Boys and girls, you did well. We finished using counters. Boys and girls, it's time for us to go.
Time to go! Time to go!
Oh, I want to stay with the boys and girls. I like them. They're my friends.
My friends too!
Kiki, Daisy, let's say goodbye now. We'll be back with lesson 3.
That's right, Dolly. We'll be back soon. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye, my little friends.
Come on, Kiki. Say goodbye to the boys and girls.
Goodbye! Goodbye!
Goodbye, children.
We have presented lesson number 2 for grade 1.
This has been Fun with Numbers for all Guyanese children.
Fun with Numbers is a program from the Ministry of Education of Ghana for Grade 1.